But as a rule in trading, I will never ever average.
Correct. But Rakesh, are you then saying that a good trader should have this highest position outstanding at the highest price?
Absolutely. Why not? Who knows what is the highest price?
It's counterintuitive though, isn't it? I mean, most people with good profits.
That's why out of 1 million traders, only 90 or 100 really make money.
What would you look for?
I would look for, first of all, look for broad direction. Don't try to be an expert. Don't try to predict every move, every hour, every day. Right? Take a loss. Know what to stake. Right? I think this is, I feel confident to trade anywhere in the world. All what you need to have is a broad direction of the trend. Right? A very broad idea. Don't try to be an expert in it. Right? Know what to stake and when to take a loss.
Rakesh, most people can't hold on to trading profits, right? Isn't that the big problem?
Well, it's a problem, but who knows, I don't know, I watch on this TV targets. What are targets? Who can predict anything? See, when I buy a stock, there comes a level at which I also feel that the price is unreasonable. But at that moment, I'm alert. That unreasonableness has to be combined with technical weakness. Then only is, then is only the move exhausted. So what is the profit?
That means the lower tops, for example, or poor volumes, or bad price action,
absolutely.
Things like that.
General trend, and then the general belief of, just believe in the market, that just go up, there is no tomorrow.
Trees don't go to the sky. Rakesh, the other thing that all good traders always pronounce is know how to take a loss. Why is that so important in your?
Because, see, nobody can predict momentum. It can turn. We never know, all big moves start with small moves. Right? And therefore, the price is the first indicator of what is coming.
Give me an example of something that you parlayed up into a great trade. Not investing, but trading. Go back to the ACC days or go back to...
Well, I think the greatest trade I made in my life was between 89 and 92.
During the Harshad Mehta bull run?
Yeah, because I first earned on the Madhu budget, everyone was so bearish, I made money. Then we made money right up to the point, we sold nearly at the top, then we shorted the market during the Gulf War, then we cut at the bottom, right? Then when Manmohan Singh became finance minister, we bought a lot of stocks very presently.
I remember that budget day, you were aggressively buying.
And then we rode it up to 28,900. Then we went short once, we lost money.
But you cut your losses?
I cut my losses, and 29, I remember I was short 15,000 shares of ACC, and at 4 o'clock in the afternoon Saturday, I called my broker in the curve and I said, whatever the price and whatever be the cost, at 6 o'clock I want the 15,000 shares covered. And then at 3,000 I was long. So, markets are, see, you have to lose, that's why I say you have to lose many a battle to win a war.
Rakesh, that lesson came back in various ways to you in 2001, didn't it? You were turned wildly bullish on the market, and the market was not supporting that point of view.
Yes, but I was wildly bullish on the investment side. I don't carry generally more than 2-3-5% leverage. I carried 35% leverage in my investment, and I carried for 12 months. But in my trading positions, I always trade with price. So if I would do a trade, so I have an XYZ stock at 100 and it goes to 120 and I buy more, no money, by the time it's 90 it will be all squared up.
You get
unease, I can't sleep, I can't eat, I get such unease. And sometimes when the market is against me, I am uneasy up till 9:15. And 9:45 it's squared off, we're fine.
Tell us another trading stock of position that you worked for you or didn't work for you, and why it didn't work for you.
And I don't know, in Telco, I think in 2004, I started buying Telco, this 2003 I think, I started buying Telco at 240. At 375 I had a position of 2 million shares. And at 340 I squared off everything. That was a great trade, I made a lot of money in just 2 months, just in Telco. That was a great trade.
That is the maxim that the big money is made in the big swing. Is that true for trading?
Absolutely. See, in my career also I earned money in trading. It's not that every year I made money. I made it in sports, right? And I've made it in certain periods, 89 to 92, 2003 to 2007, 2009, 10, 10, 11 has been a good year. So I've made it in sports, say 94 to 99, I wouldn't have made any trading income.
The idea is always, as you said, to when the iron is hot, strike.
Absolutely.
Don't try to make 50,000 rupees a day.
And we are not earning in trading by employing billions of dollars in trading. My net capital employed in trading is 1 lakh. So if I earn, say, if I even earn 1 crore, you can't imagine the return on equity.
Right.
Because everything else is borrowed and I pay interest on it. So my real capital, capital of my partnership firm is 1 lakh.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
So it's pure leverage. You don't
Pure
take
leverage.
personal capital into
I
the
put
business.
mine and my wife's assets and borrow money and I use that.
Rakesh, let me leverage into break. When we come back, we'll chat some more with Rakesh Jhunjhunwala on money making maxims.